Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for hanging out with me today. I have here just a little mini Amazon haul because I'm a Prime freak and it's all about nail art, nail goodies. Nothing big or anything, just a few things that I needed to add to my collection as I'm still new to doing my nails at home, and trying out all these new brands is so fun. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried anything from Mifa. I know there's a dipping powder on Amazon, but right now I am obsessed with gels, polygel, and gel polish, and I am really excited about this Burano polygel kit that I will be doing a whole separate video on, so stay tuned for that. But I wanted to unbox it in this little haul. I cannot wait. I've been liking my Model 1's polygel, but I wanted to try other brands. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of Burano's polygel. So I have seen several YouTubers with this awesome nail arm hand rest, and I knew that I needed one, so I've been eyeing it for a couple of months now, and I finally found it on Amazon, so I had to pick that up. And for my new Flexi, I went ahead and purchased Model 1's nail tips. This came as a recommendation from Nailed by Nikki. She said these were awesome for the Flexi hands, so I went ahead and purchased them as well. And they come with a lot, but a lot of the sizes look really small. But like Nikki said, size 5s are the best, fit perfectly, and also come with 2 bags of size 5s. So I am excited about that because I will be doing more and more nail art with that Flexi hand. I love the size and shape of these tips. They're a coffin, and that is my favorite nail shape. So I know it's gonna look really good on this hand. The nails that are currently on them are like a perfect square, and I prefer coffin. Oh, I love that shape. I love that shape. I have been loving my Flexi hand, and when it's not in use, I just put the purple mesh cover that it came with, and it goes right behind my desk. So now on to my favorite item out of this haul, which is the armrest, and I went with the black. Oh my lord, you all, I didn't even know it came with the silicone mat. That was a big surprise because it was not listed under the description. It just had the armrest as the picture. So this is awesome. It came with a silicone mat that matches the color. This is cool, and I am so excited for my new hand rest to do my nails on, and for reveal pictures with the Flexi hand resting the nails on top. But yes, I had no idea this silicone mat was included. That's really awesome, and I am really excited about this. Like I said, I have been looking for this for a couple months as I've seen it on some of my favorite YouTubers' channels, and I had to get one myself. Let me know in the comments below, do you have one of these nifty little armrests? I'm obsessed. And on my nails is Knight in Shining Armor from Kira Sky. I finally took off those sunflowers. My goodness, it was going on 4 weeks. So on to this Mifa gel nail polish collection that has 16 different gel polishes with a base and a top coat. So I'm going to swatch the colors for you all. The bottles are reasonably sized, not so big, but not too small, and they are perfect for the fall. So the first color is this beautiful, gorgeous, right up my alley, lilac purple, but with holographic flakes. The only thing that I have to say about this collection is a few of the brushes are wonky donk, like this one right here. But the polish itself is really nice and the formula is awesome. I actually have a few extra brush heads that came with my Kira Sky system, so I'll just use those for the ones that came like that. But I am loving this holographic purple. This set also includes a jet black gel polish, which I have also been looking for my chrome powders, and I am very impressed with this black. I am just doing 1 coats of all of these gel polishes, and like I said, the formulas are awesome, and this brush is great. There's no lumps or anything. So some of the brush heads are good, and then just a couple were weird, but yeah. Here is a perfect nude, and I think is awesome for the fall time. It's mauve and can make a really pretty base color for nail art. So here is another wonky brush, but like I said, the gel polish itself is awesome. I love reds for fall and autumn. I wear reds November through February. I think reds are sexy and I cannot wait to start wearing them. I'm loving this one right here. It's the perfect Christmas red in my opinion. So here is a gorgeous gray. I love grays. The polish that I'm wearing right now is actually a thermal changing dark gray to light gray, and this one is the perfect, when I think of gray, I think of that, and it's gorgeous. Here is another nude color that is also mauve with pink undertones. Another beautiful chunky glitter with holographic flakes. This one is a jelly texture, and this set also came with a perfect white color. I don't have any white, and I've been wanting to do milk bath nails, so I may try that out with that white. Here is another fall autumn color in the realm of greeny, blue, teal undertones. I really like that color. Here is a gorgeous khaki light army green color, and I love those two together, the teal and that army green. I can see some really pretty ombres with those two colors. Off camera, I added that black hollow glitter and that silver sheen. And lastly are these two pinks. My favorite out of these polishes have to be the holographic glitters. I really love the black holographic glitter, the jelly pink one, and that lilac purple. Plus the reds, the black, and the white. These are perfect for fall. And I don't have any colors like this in my collection, so I love them. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite color was and if you would pick this set up. Like I said, I'm obsessed over the black holographic glitter and the lilac purple holographic glitter. I am actually going to be doing some more water decals using that jelly holographic pink as an overlay and see how that comes out. I'm obsessed with these polishes. Like I said, the only thing that was wrong were just a couple of brush heads were wonky. Outside of that, the formula on these Mifa gel polishes are amazing, and that black holographic is my favorite. It's gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and doing this little mini Amazon haul and swatch and review. Please be on the watch out for the Burano Polygel set I have coming out. I cannot wait to start using it as I have been loving Polygel lately. So yes, stay tuned for this, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Be safe and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone.